Wizaroo! Welcome to Wizaroo! I'm Joy. I'm Sparkle. I'm Bird. I'm Scooter. Today we are doing the Twin Telepathy Milkshake Challenge! Yay! Woo! But don't forget, we're going to be learning 3 flavors in Spanish. Are y'all ready to have some fun? Let the challenge begin! But first, let's learn that Spanish.
Fresa is Spanish for strawberry. Chocolate is Spanish for chocolate. Vainilla is Spanish for vanilla. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today, we have 2 teams that are challenging each other in the Twin Telepathy Milkshake Challenge.
Yes!
We have the girls.
This is Team SJ. Yes, Sparkle and Joy.
And we have the boys.
Yeah, we're gonna beat the girls.
Well, we'll see who gets to go first. Let's do paper, rock, scissors. Ready?
Yeah!
All right. Joy and Scooter, take your places.
You going down? Never. Oh!
All right, so the boys will go first.
Yes! Yes! Going down.
Okay, fellas, which one of those milks will you be choosing? All right, they have made their choice. Let's go over to the girls. Okay, girls, what do you think the fellas chose?
I think they chose this one.
Is she correct?
Yep, I bet she is.
Okay, everybody, hold up what you chose.
Oh, man!
Fresa Strawberry.
1 point for girls. 1 point for girls.
All right, girls, let's see you pour it in.
There we go.
Okay. Fellas, go ahead and pour it.
Man, I really hope that one.
Who's ready for round 2?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Get ready to be beat. Oh yeah! Yeah!
All right, let's go. We're gonna do paper, rock, scissors, Joy versus Bird. Let's go.
Oh,
You
girls,
got
the bird. Prepare to be beaten. You got the bird.
Go. Do over.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, fellas, have you made a decision?
Yep. We choose that one.
Okay. We see which pastry you have chosen. Let's go to the girls. All right, ladies, are you ready?
Yes.
What do you think they chose?
Click the thumbs up if you like this video.
Okay, Joy, you want to help her?
Yeah, I think it is.
Joy thinks it was a strawberry. Okay, boys, what did you choose? Blueberry. All right, boys, get a point. Put it in there. Oh, put it in there. That's gonna be some shake. All right. Boys, are you ready for round 3?
Yeah!
Girls, are you ready for round 3?
Yeah!
All right, round 3 commences. Rock, paper, scissors, let's commence.
Go, Joy!
Boys have won again. All right, fellas, have you made a choice?
Yes, we have. This one.
Vainilla. Vanilla.
All right, now let's check with the ladies. All right, ladies, what do you think the fellas chose?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
All right. Hold up your choices, everybody. All right. Girls, let's see you put that in your shade. Ooh, look at that. Good job. All right, fellas. Your turn. Wow, look at that. Right, guys, it's the final round. Let's have that paper, rock, scissors. Let's do this. Okay, fellas, there's a choice to be made. What is going on? I'm seeing some. Which one is going in?
This one.
Okay, all right.
I guess I choose this one.
All right, girls, what will it be? All right. Everybody, hold up what you chose.
Oh, man.
What'd you get? Oh, look at that. Girls round.
We got 2 points.
Okay, let us see. I need y'all to drop it in. Go ahead.
Want to take turns? Sure. I do this half. Okay. Uh-oh. Can I take? Yeah, sure.
Our shake is going to be so much better than the girls. Hit it, bro. This shake is going to be so yummy. Yeah, woohoo! Looks delicious. Who do you think made the best shake? Comment down below.
Of course, it was us.
It's milkshake dance time!
Yeah!
Let's review those flavors. Fresa Strawberry. Chocolate. Chocolate. Vainilla. Vanilla. Great job! If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Also, there's a little bell that you can hit and it'll tell you when we come out with other awesome videos. Don't forget to select one of these awesome videos from up above. See you next time.
For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.